Hi guys, welcome to techsunjay YouTube channels. Today you will know how to sign out. That means log out your account from the Chrome browser. I repeat, how to log out means sign out your Google account from the Chrome browser. This is not related to our that you clear your all history, then you are also log out your account. This is fully practical based knowledge. Okay, so you will do not search anywhere and anywhere how to log out without clear any your data from your Chrome browser. So let's begin. I explain you. You will for log out your account, you will go to the three dot option. Okay, first option is three dot option. Sorry, refresh. Click on three dot option and go to setting. Okay, go to setting option. Okay, click on setting option. You will see that your Google account. My Google account is techsunjay. This is our Google account. Okay, if you want to log out this account, you will click on this account. Okay, sync, and you will go scroll down and you will click on sign out and turn off the sync data. Okay, you will click on it. You will see that option will be display for sign out your Google account and turn off your sync. And you will see a new option will be also appears, that is also clear your Chrome browser data from this device. It means if you download any file media, it will automatically delete if you select this option. I do not want to delete, so I do not select this option. Okay, and click on continue button. Your Google sync account will be log out. Your account will be log out. Click on log out. You will see that my account will be log out. Okay, you will check, see that, go to check, then you will see that our account will be log out from Google browser, Chrome browser. This is the fully practically based knowledge. Okay, in next video I will explain from that process how to sign in your Google account by this process. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Thank you everyone.